it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. In this video, I'll be doing this with two friends, and we will be checking out the best food spots that you can go to in Binondo. I have done other vlogs in Binondo, but for me it's always special when we have someone visiting the Philippines. Yeah, so they're vlogging me over there. But anyway, if you guys want to check out his channel, I'll leave the details down below. Oh my gosh, there's a car, there's a motorbike. So check out his vlog and check out mine as well. If you're watching mine, check this out. Vice versa. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be eating delicious food. I don't normally do food vlogs, but I love Binondo because there's just so many good things to try out here. So let me cross the road after this Philippine National Police car goes. You want to go shopping? Maybe not this place. The other place is better for shopping. Divisoria. Divisoria. Walking distance from here. No? Well, everything's walking distance if you want to walk far.
Yes.
So this is the salt and pepper squid. Should we start?
Ça a l'air délicieux.
Huh?
French, it looks delicious.
Nat, kakain ko ba tayo sa kabila?
Sure ka? I just want serving each. Sure. So what I ordered for today is hakao, siomai, noodle soup, salt and pepper squid, baked buns, and it looks like it's a lot. You've tried these, right, in other restaurants?
This? No.
Well, they both have shrimp, but normally siomai is pork based.
Yeah, this reminds me of, what are they called again?
Alright, one petit.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We don't normally have the cheers, that's just us saying it out.
I don't know why. Wait for you, go ahead.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
Legit siomai.
It's
Ang
really
sarap.
filling. Like, one serving is enough for 3 of us.
This is so good.
They don't cheat with the amount of meat inside.
Yeah. And that's the thing with a lot of siomai. A lot of them is like so much flour already, but here in Ying Ying, it's filling.
Kaya pala this place is very popular.
Yes. Okay, so that was a filling meal, but we still have new poheng. It's going to be lumpia. So there's a break from heavy food.
Oh, okay.
Lumpia. Alright, Ying Ying is really good if you want the siomai, dumplings. And our next spot now is we're going to Lumpia. New Poheng Lumpia House. It's everything. The good thing about this, guys, is that everything is like less than 2 kilometers. If you want a food trip, this is the itinerary you should choose, especially from Escolta Ferry. It was just a 3-minute walk, and now it's going to be another 3-minute walk to the Lumpia. If I remember right, it's in there on the right.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Navigational
Rate 2 rated, 2 out of 5 rated tour guide right here. Because the thing is, what I remembered before is it was actually like inside like a. Can we just quickly look?
Yeah, sure.
This could be it, but I just remember it looked nice. I mean, that looks nice, but it was more like inside a house or something. I just checked Google Maps, guys, and it is the one. My bad. I just remember a house for some weird reason. I may be wrong. So we are back. All right, I think we need to try the fresh lumpia. I think one serving is okay because we're gonna be full.
Cool. Cool.
They changed their name.
Thank you. Ta-da! Let's
Okay.
open the magic. Right. You can do the honors of unboxing.
But my fingers. Who wants to try? Oh, do you guys want to put this?
Better to try with and without.
With and without. Okay. Okay. So, who wants the first bite?
You guys can. Joanne. Are you first? You're the guide. You're the tourist.
All right. Here we go.
That was a big bite.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Very sweet. And it has peanut butter.
Wow.
Tastes like peanut butter.
Okay.
Very good.
Well, I kind of know what it tastes like actually. It is like what I like about it. It has a lot of different
Nutty
like
taste.
It's crunchy. There's a lot
there's
of
a lot
crunch
of
to it.
flavor. Yeah, there's a lot
Texture.
of textures. Let me just open this.
Yeah, I think this is the peanut butter.
No,
Yeah.
it squirts.
Yeah. Joanne, you haven't tried it. I've tried it.
I prefer without
I've
the
tried this before. Tried this before.
I don't believe you.
But
Not here.
I have. But not this one. Yes.
Exactly my point.
You know where I tried it? Fuda in Cebu.
Oh, it's not the same.
Do you remember Fuda?
Comments?
Ang sarap.
Yeah, with sauce?
That is with a nut. With a nut.
With nuts, yeah.
Yeah.
See, there is like peanut butter or something, right? Wow, that is so messy. Oh.
Guys, there's nowhere left for me. She ate it all. It's fine. So there are other ways to eat it, which I'll show you.
Your turn.
With a spoon.
Oh, because you're fancy like that, huh?
I'm fancy like that.
He's classy like
Yeah.
Same comment.
really good.
Same comment as before. There's a lot of vegetables, which I like, so it's really refreshing to eat. What's umay? It doesn't taste
Yeah.
umay. Explain
get-
to the English viewers.
You don't get sick of it.
Because there's a lot of flavor. It's not like
But what I
it's not
really like
oily.
about it is the nut. Coconutty.
coconutty.
It's really yummy. Sarap, no?
See, just a quick stop. And you know what our
Perfect.
next place will be?
Tell us.
We have a break. We're going to
Where?
Binondo Church.
Oh, yeah.
You'll have to do your prayers there.
Okay.
Ask for your forgiveness and everything. All right, we will have a quick food break and touch a little bit of history by visiting Binondo Church. I like how you're asking me where the church is.
Where's the church, Nat?
You can't see it?
Wait. There! Oh my gosh!
Oh, let's cross after this guy. not much fat here. I see it. Yes. Are you ready for more food?
No. Oh, there's a line though.
Oh no.
Is it
Oh
worth it?
shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
I don't know.
What do you want to try here?
Let me
What kind of, what types of food?
It's very similar, but this is, as you see, the oldest fast food in Binondo. People saying hi.
Saying hi.
So the food here, we should be trying out, or should have been trying out. Siopao.
Siopao. I love siopao. Really good.
Do you want to do something else first?
You just have to remove the thing around it, right? The siopao.
Siopao is the sweet one.
Yeah. But it has usually it's served with the paper, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You just have to make sure to remove it.
I thought you meant remove like the filling or the bread.
No.
How do you know?
That would be sacrilege. Come on.
Alright, while there is a line here and while we are still full,
We can keep up with this.
no, there's one of the famous delicacies. It's not ting ting ting, it's ing bin ting. So while the fast food is still very full of people and there was a line outside, we will check out one of the famous food delis here in Binondo, which is Eng Bi Tin. Go in, it's like calling for ya. It's where you get pasalubong. For yourself. So now our next stop will be Sincerity Restaurant. I have not tried that before, but apparently when I checked out food blogs, that's a place that we should be visiting. There it is, full of lights. Alright guys, we didn't walk far, but we're so thirsty because it's so hot. Calamansi juice for the win. Calamansi, just do.
Just looking at it, to be honest. I'll have maximum to maximum.
Famous lumpia Shanghai. I'm sure you tried something like that before. No.
It tastes like something I've had in Algeria.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I like the sauce though. Alright.
It's alright, it's not my favorite.
I love it.
Yeah.
I had a better one.
Exactly, it's like this.
What's that?
Sincerity fried chicken.
Hey.
Looks warm.
So much fried food in here.
And it has special sauce as well.
Let's see if it's better than KFC. Ladies first. I want. Oh.
Wow.
Still alive.
Fell so.
Really happy.
Yeah? Alright.
It's fine. Very crunchy. And the breading.
It's flavorful.
The breading itself has flavor. It's like peppery. It's not oily. It's not greasy at all.
Yeah.
It's very tender.
What she
Try
said.
it.
What she said.
What she said.
Great food blogger. The gravy. The gravy reminds me of the sauce in the fishball sauce.
Oh yeah?
You try it.
Really? I dip?
Yeah, of course.
Wow. It's like a fishbowl
Dip.
dip. Interesting.
It doesn't taste like our traditional gravy. Yeah.
Very interesting.
Sweet. There are multiple food stops here in Binondo, but we are just going to settle for our last one because we are absolutely full already from all the food that we've had in the past 1.5 to 2 hours. So it's going to be dumplings. Oh yes, food. Give our leftovers. Yes. Yay. Thank you. We couldn't finish our fried chicken and lumpia, so we gave it to the kids. So anyway, one last stop, and it's going to be steamed dumplings anyway, so we should be able to digest those. We have made it to the official Dongbei dumpling.
Dumplings. Okay, how do we?
Oh, maybe they're closed, no?
Close? Or takeout?
Oh, they got
They're only open for takeout, but anyway, this is really good. They were never open kayo ever for dine-in? Since when? So they've been, guys, that's interesting information. They've only been for takeout since the pandemic pa.
okay.
So I guess chicken was our last stop.
Right. All right, that's fine.
Yes. We can book a grab from here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Uy, Cebu lechon.
Here you can see Lucky Chinatown.
Yes. So normally when I drive, I park there. I start in Dongbei and then I go down. But we took the boat, so it was a different route altogether. So anyway, guys, now you know Dongbei is only for takeout. It's really, really good. Yes. Thank you guys for watching our food adventure here in Binondo. If you are new to the Philippines, you have to check this place out, and there's so many food options. You can follow our itinerary, but yeah.
And try the Pasig River cruise.
And the cruise, yes.
Super cool.
Right, see you guys. Bye.